What's the meaning of amyl nitrite? Amyl nitrite. Amyl nitrite. Amyl nitrite. Amyl nitrite. Amyl nitrite.
Amyl nitrite is a drug that belongs to the class of organic nitrates. It is commonly used as a vasodilator to treat angina pectoris, a type of chest pain caused by reduced blood flow to the heart. When amyl nitrite is inhaled, it causes rapid dilation of blood vessels, resulting in a sudden drop in blood pressure and an increase in heart rate. This can lead to feelings of lightheadedness, dizziness, and flushing of the skin. The effects of amyl nitrite typically last only a few minutes, making it a short-acting medication.